These are the TaoTronics TTBH085. They're $54.99 on Amazon, and they're said to rival the likes of Bose and Sony. Let's find out. So inside the little handy carry bag that actually does come with it and feels pretty nice, you do of course get the headphones themselves, which look fairly nice. They are well designed, a little plasticky feeling, but you'd expect that for the price point. You do also receive a 3.5mm auxiliary to auxiliary for when you're not using its Bluetooth functionality, and of course a USB-C charging cable, which is a nice addition. Along one side you do of course have your power, volume up and down, but you also have a switch on the other side. This switch is quite important because that's how you're going to be turning on and off the noise cancelling. These can be done individually, so you can have the music and the noise cancelling, or vice versa, which is different. I've not seen many headphones do this. They are really durable. I don't think you're going to find that these are going to break anytime soon. Of course they do look fairly comfortable, and they have those volume buttons on the side which are nice and easy to feel and quite tactile to touch as well. But of course I guess you're all wondering, just how good do these things sound? These things sound really good. I find the noise cancelling does help just to sort of level out that bass a little bit. It gets a little bit too bassy at times, but just turning that on levels everything out a little bit better. But the only real complaint I have is when you're walking about, that noise cancelling kind of ducks in and out and really distorts the audio. So if you're going to be using these, make sure that you do have that turned off while you're walking. But overall, I'd say this was a really good audio experience for such a low price.